Most people make personal branding way more complicated than it needs to be. After almost 25 years advising founders, executives, and investors, I've noticed something. Nearly every strong reputation comes down to four things. And if you're missing even one, growth gets harder. Miss two, and people forget you exist. The first is clarity. Can someone describe what you do in a single sentence? Not the sentence you would use, the sentence they would use. Because most founders think they're clear. But that's only because they know what they mean. The real test is whether someone else can repeat it back. Second is credibility. Can you prove the message holds up? Not with claims, with receipts, clients, results, achievements people can actually point to. You can usually tell the difference between a founder who has evidence and a founder who's hoping nobody asks. Third is consistency. What you say online should match what you say offline. What you post on LinkedIn should sound exactly like what you'd tell a journalist behind closed doors. A lot of founders are visible on one platform and invisible everywhere else. People notice that gap. And the fourth is continuity, doing the first three long enough for them to compound. This is where most people stop. They post for 6 months. Nothing obvious happens, so they quit. But the founders who break through tell a different story. The payoff usually doesn't come in month 6. It comes in year 2. That's why the strongest personal brands have all four: clarity, credibility, consistency, and continuity. The ones that plateau, they usually stopped at 1 or 2. So which of the four do you think is the hardest to maintain?